Hello everyone, let's learn how to disable sensitive content on X app. If you use X, formerly known as Twitter, you've seen the potentially sensitive content warnings on some posts. It's not surprising on a platform used all over the world, where anyone can post anonymously from a budget mobile phone. Unlike other social media platforms that restrict sensitive media, like adult content and nudity, X lets you choose what content you see, although not all of it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. For this method we will not use a basic X app, so you need to go on your web browser, and we'll open Chrome browser, but if you have iOS device you can go on Safari, the process is same. Then go on search bar, and type X, and next go on first site. After that go on your little profile icon in top left corner of the screen. That will open side menu, and next you need to click on last option settings and support. When you do that, this option show you 5 more option, and go on first option settings and privacy. Now go on privacy and safety option. After that click on content you see. Now follow these steps carefully, because that step is important. So first you need to enable display media that may contain sensitive content, by tapping on it, and next open last option, search settings. Now you can see this 2 options, and we need to disable first option. That option prevents posts with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.